It was a ceremonial welcome for Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the presidential palace in Paris. Prime Minister Modi is on the first leg of his three-nation tour, and of course, the big news really coming out of that is the possible purchase of the Rafale fighter jets. Sources have told NDTV that the purchase of the Rafale fighter jets could be on the table tonight as Prime Minister Modi meets the French President Hollande. Now, that's what top sources have told NDTV, that the Prime Minister is keen on cutting through the red tape. Well, my colleague Nupur Tiwari now joining us for more on that. Nupur, the most important thing really emerging from this is likely to be the Rafale fighter jets. What more details can you tell us from your sources?
Bani, what we are hearing is that the Rafale deal is indeed going to be on the table for discussions when President Hollande and Prime Minister Modi meet later this evening. An outright purchase could also be spoken of, and we are also hearing from top government sources that the national security and domestic manufacturing, there will be a balance. So it seems that there will be the number of fighter jets that India was going to buy from France is likely to go up, and perhaps the details, the mechanisms that are going to be discussed within the negotiations are going to improve for both sides, and the deadlock that has existed for a long time now could be broken. To come back to the welcome ceremony, that ceremony, just to make that correction there, that ceremony was taking place at Les Invalides, the grand welcome that was given. There is also the community event that will happen tomorrow, which is a big thing because it's the first time that the French diaspora will actually be meeting an Indian Prime Minister in this way. Some of the other things, apart from this very, very important Rafale deal, which is at the top of everyone's minds, and we are waiting to get more details on that. But before we come back to more details, the other things that are also being discussed, and especially things that are interesting for the French side, also counter-terrorism. Now, as you know, the Charlie Hebdo attacks happened here in Paris not long ago, and we were talking to our French sources. They said that, Mr. Modi had called President Hollande when these attacks were ongoing, and there is going to be increased cooperation also on counter-terror. Now, as you know, the French have these elite forces to counter terrorism, and perhaps that is also an area where India will be looking at cooperating with the French. There are also other issues, especially space. You know, there has been a long cooperation that the French have had with India, 50 years that will be commemorated. There will be a stamp released for this long partnership that India and France have had. These are not very spectacular deals, but these are deals that are that do make a difference. Several Indian satellites for many, many years now, for nearly half a century, have been launched on French rockets, and now there's increased cooperation. So this is also something that is going to be discussed, and the fact that the boat ride, the Nao Pe Charcha, is happening also draws attention to the city of Paris, which is an interesting move because not only does it showcase the bilateral visit and the presence of the Indian Prime Minister in the city, but also the fact that Paris is a beautiful city. This is something that France wants more and more Indian tourists to come. Here there are about 300,000 that already come. The number has been steadily going up, but France is interested in drawing in even more people to visit the country. There will be certain partnerships that will be created in tourism, so that's something interesting. Also, smart cities. These are some of the projects that the Indian side has, which interest the French a great deal. So all of this coming together, perhaps in what we are hearing, it could be actually as many as 10 agreements. We don't know exactly what these agreements are. It's all being kept quite secret so far. But you know, as only a few hours actually left before the two leaders are going to meet in the Elysee Palace, and the details of these agreements will come up. 10 agreements, and this will be, of course, just before the dinner that takes place. And what we are also hearing is that the French have actually made the effort of inviting some cricketers for this dinner. Now, we don't know whether there will be who exactly is going to be there. That's something that they've managed to keep secret, but it seems that there will be someone at that dinner also from a cricket team. The French really don't know what cricket is about, but they've made that effort to go forth and invite someone. So a lot of engagements here in Paris before the Prime Minister leaves for Toulouse to visit the Airbus facility and also the Space Center. He will be coming back to go to the Neuve-Chapelle Memorial in the north of France. This is also something which is an important step, because this story of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War is something that a lot of Indians also don't seem to know about. Only in the last couple of years with the centenary, perhaps we are hearing more of this story. So his presence over here will also perhaps bring this story to the attention of the French, who don't seem to know much about all these soldiers, nearly 10,000 who came to fight the war here in France. So this memorial is actually in the region where the battlefields were, where a great number of Indians died fighting in the First World War. Bani?